Hey, in this video, I'll actually show you how to fix WhatsApp storage almost full on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's a simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end. And before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's start. What you want to do is obviously go on WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp, and click on storage and data. After you click on settings, settings should be located at the bottom right corner. From there, click on storage and data and click the first option, manage storage. So here you can see how many megabytes you have used. I just cleared my data, so I just have 79 megabytes used out of 14 gigabytes free. So if you want to clear anything, all you gotta do is go on any of these chats and just delete the photos or clear the cache from any of those. This is the first way to do it. The second is just going over to the settings on your iPhone device, or on an Android device, go to settings and then go to apps. On iPhone, go to general, click on iPhone storage, and now we want to search for WhatsApp, and after that we want to clear the cache. So on WhatsApp, go down to WhatsApp, offload the app, and then reinstall it again, which should clear the cache and fix the issue. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.